Have you been thinking about buying Bitcoin but don't know where to start? Today, I'll show you the safest way to buy your first Bitcoin. Millions of Americans now own Bitcoin, but many beginners lose money by making simple mistakes. Let's make sure that doesn't happen to you. Bitcoin is a digital currency. It isn't controlled by any government or bank. You own it directly, through a secure digital wallet. Before buying anything, you need to choose a trusted cryptocurrency exchange, where your money and personal information stay protected. Popular exchanges include Coinbase, Kraken, Gemini, and Cash App. These companies follow regulations and provide strong security for beginners. When buying Bitcoin, stick to well-known and reputable platforms. Be cautious if someone on social media offers to sell you Bitcoin directly. Always verify who you're dealing with before sending money. Once you've selected an exchange, create your account using your real name, a strong password, and a secure email address. Choose a password that's long, unique, and difficult to guess. Never reuse passwords from your other online accounts. The next step is verifying your identity. This helps exchanges comply with regulations and protects customers against fraud. Most exchanges ask for a government-issued photo ID, and sometimes a quick selfie. Approval usually takes only a few minutes. Before depositing any money, enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security to protect your account. With your account fully secured, you're finally ready to add funds safely. That's exactly what we'll cover in the next section. Now it's time to fund your account. Most beginners use a secure bank transfer. This is because it usually offers lower fees than debit or credit cards. Some exchanges also support debit cards, but convenience often comes with higher fees. Always compare the total cost before confirming your payment. Once your money arrives, search for Bitcoin using its trading symbol, BTC. Make sure you're selecting Bitcoin and not another cryptocurrency. Most exchanges let you buy a fraction of one Bitcoin. You don't need thousands of dollars to get started today. Many first-time investors begin with $50 or $100 while they learn how Bitcoin and the market actually work. You'll usually see two buying options: market order and limit order. Understanding the difference helps you make smarter purchasing decisions. A market order buys Bitcoin immediately at the best available price. It's the easiest option for most beginners. A limit order lets you choose the exact price you're willing to pay. The purchase only happens if Bitcoin reaches that price. Before confirming your purchase, double-check the amount, total cost, and transaction fees. Taking a few extra seconds can prevent costly mistakes. Congratulations! You've officially purchased your first Bitcoin. Your balance now appears safely inside your exchange account. Although your Bitcoin is stored on the exchange, many experienced investors choose to move larger amounts into their own private wallet. In the next section, I'll explain how to store your Bitcoin securely and avoid the most common scams targeting new investors. Once you've purchased Bitcoin, the next priority is protecting it. Good security habits are just as important as making the investment itself. Many beginners leave their Bitcoin on the exchange, but experienced investors often move larger holdings into a private wallet they control. There are two main wallet types. Hot wallets stay connected to the internet, while hardware wallets store your Bitcoin offline. If you plan to invest significant amounts over time, a hardware wallet provides one of the strongest levels of security available. Your recovery phrase is the key to accessing your Bitcoin wallet. Store it securely in a private location and avoid sharing it with others to help protect your digital assets. Your password and wallet recovery phrase are designed to remain confidential. Protecting this information is one of the most effective ways to help keep your Bitcoin secure. Avoid promises of guaranteed profits, free Bitcoin giveaways, or investment opportunities that sound too good to be true. This successful Bitcoin investing isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about patience, consistency, and making informed financial decisions. Many investors use dollar cost averaging. buying small amounts regularly, instead of trying to predict short-term market movements. Continue learning about Bitcoin security, blockchain technology, and market fundamentals before increasing your investment over time. Now you know how to choose a trusted exchange, buy Bitcoin safely, and protect your investment from common mistakes and scams. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to Apex Profit for practical Bitcoin and personal finance videos designed to help you invest with confidence.